In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders in Amazon Drive. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Amazon Drive was discontinued on December 31st, 2023, so it's no longer available as a file storage or management service. That means you won't be able to log into Amazon Drive itself to look for a traditional order history. Instead, if you're trying to find past purchases connected to Amazon Drive, you'll need to check those records through your main Amazon account. To get started, go to Amazon and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, take a moment to clarify what kind of orders you're actually looking for. Amazon Drive didn't really have a standard order page like regular Amazon product purchases. In most cases, what people are trying to find are things like Amazon Drive storage plans, Amazon Photos storage subscriptions, or billing records connected to their account. After that, head over to your orders. This is the first place to check if you purchased a storage plan in the past. Browse through your order history and pay special attention to digital purchases or subscription-related items. It also helps to use search terms like Amazon Drive, storage plan, or Amazon Photos to narrow down the results more quickly. This can save time, especially if your account has a long purchase history. Next, go to Memberships and Subscriptions in your Amazon account. Here, you can review both active and past subscriptions associated with your account. If your Amazon Drive usage was connected to storage services, there's a good chance you may find related records here. Look for anything tied to Amazon Photos, additional storage plans, or even Prime-related storage benefits. You should also check your payments. Open that section and review your previous transactions and invoices. This is especially useful if you're trying to confirm whether you were charged for a storage plan or if you need a billing reference for your records. Look carefully for any payments associated with Amazon Drive or Amazon Photo Storage. If applicable, open Amazon Photos as well. Many former Amazon Drive users were transitioned there, so if your goal is to review storage-related details, this may be the most relevant place now. Check your storage settings, subscription information, and any active plan details linked to your Amazon account. If you still can't find what you need, contact Amazon customer service through your Amazon account. When you reach out, be ready to provide the email associated with the account, an approximate purchase date, and any storage plan details you remember. That information can help support locate older billing records more efficiently, and that's how to check your orders related to Amazon Drive.